Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have an exciting video. I am here to spoil for you a Goldie Box spoiler for the Spring 2023 subscription box. So if you're not aware of what Goldie Box is, it is a lifestyle seasonal subscription box, and the whole concept is of the Goldie Box that it's just right for you. So there are many different levels that you can choose from. You can be a bronze, silver, or gold bear, and they come at different price points from $30 to $60. I'll leave all the information down below. Each level offers you a different opportunity to choose a variety of different products. In the bronze bear, you get to pick 3 out of 14 items. Silver, get to choose 5 out of 15 items, and gold get to choose 7 out of 16 items. And all of the levels come with an opportunity to get a free product or more. So the bronze bears get 1 free, the silver bears get 2, and the gold bears get 3. So the really great thing is there's lots to choose from, and you get to choose things that are very specific to you out of all of the customizations. It's not broken down into categories. So if you've ever heard of Jess from Everything Proof Beauty, she originally, I found her, she's on YouTube. I found her because she would break down all of the different Fabfitfun spoilers, and she was an amazing researcher. She was so good at finding out all the details about the products, especially when it came to skincare. So one of the things that you'll find in this box, everything is cruelty-free. Every box sold has a tree planted for it, and a lot of the brands have give back stories. There's really a lot that goes into this box. I was a big fan, so I myself am in Canada, and when Jess first started the subscription service, she only shipped to the United States. Well, she's expanded that to Canadians as well. The prices that I listed include free shipping for Americans, but in Canada, it's $15 for shipping. That is the box in a nutshell. There's also one more choice too. There is a surprise bear. You can get 3 mystery items. So I myself am wearing some of my Goldie Boxed past choices. I can link a video for you here if you want to see the full unboxings for my fall and winter box. But I received this hat, this necklace, and this bracelet, and I matched the box perfectly. So I thought this was perfect attire to wear for my Goldie Box spoiler. So the reason why I was able to spoil this for you is because I had done that unboxing video, and she did a draw for everyone who did an unboxing video, and they were eligible for a prize of getting whatever this is that I'm going to tell you about. And they also have the opportunity to create a video to let you know, which is really exciting, because this way we can tell you our opinions and our thoughts and our reasons for why we came to Goldie Box. So as a subscriber myself, I have to say, when I saw that the fall 2022 box was announced, I just couldn't believe how many products in that box were tailored to my specific likes. And it was funny because I originally didn't have it on my radar because I knew she didn't offer Canadians the subscription service initially. And then I saw Catherine unbox her fall box, and I'm like, I think she's opened it up now. I better look into that. I thought I hadn't missed much. She's been doing these boxes for 2 years. So I definitely missed out on lots of great stuff, because she didn't just open it up to Canadians. That's been some time now. So I'm glad that I'm able to be a subscriber now, and I'm glad that I'm able to spoil this for you as well. So as I was saying, Jess is an amazing researcher on different skincare brands. And the spoiler that I have for you is from the line Ritual Junkie, a female-founded brand that helps to empower you through intention candles,
herbal rituals, and skincare products. Goldie Box is giving us the opportunity to awaken our senses and choose between two uniquely scented body butters. The first option is a lavender sage body butter. This is 3.5 ounces with an MSRP of $14.99. It is made with mango and shea butters, coconut oil, and rosehip oil to help moisturize your skin while giving yourself the best care inside and out. Your next choice is the Self-Love Oatmeal Rose Body Butter. The Self-Love line is scented with oatmeal and roses to awaken your senses to a higher purpose. It is 3.5 ounces of pure silk with an MSRP of $14.99. The oatmeal moisturizes your skin while the rose scent relaxes your tired muscles, perfect as a part of your daily routine or on your special ritual day.
So that is the spoiler. Again, I'll leave all the information down below. I will have a discount code for you if you are interested in signing up for the box for the first time. I also would like to say there is another YouTuber, Wendy Jean. I will link her video down below. She also did a spoiler. She was the other participant that won the opportunity to spoil a video for you. So go and check out her channel. She is fantastic and I really enjoy all of her unboxings. I think you'll appreciate what she has to tell you about as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.